Well guys, we're going on a fun little adventure today. We're gonna meet a new member of our family.
Yep.
Cliffhanger. And no, we're not having a kiddo. This kid is already 18 years old, so 18 to 20 years old.
Yeah.
We don't even know how old our kid is. It is a beautiful day here in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Might be a little windy though, so I apologize for that. So we're gonna go say hi to some horses today. And they're already coming over to say hi, because they know Deanna has something. They're playing a little hard to get right now, but they did come over here. I think they know Deanna more than they know me. This is not edible. Hey, this is not edible. This is a camera. It's not edible. Nope. So Linus, our new buddy, you can't eat the camera, is over here.
I brought you something. This one's for you.
Oh, you get the big one. So we recently came across the interesting opportunity.
We did. Yes.
Deanna's been wanting a horse her entire life.
Pretty much.
Not that she's lived a super long life thus far, but
yeah. And this guy we learned was up for adoption. And now he's ours.
And as you notice, he lives across the street already. Everyone thinks my camera's edible. So apparently Deanna is trying to rip all the hair off Linus today.
He's just shedding like crazy every time I come out. He's got a really thick coat.
He's got a really thick coat, so she's trying to work through that a little bit. He doesn't seem to mind it. When we first came out here for the first time, the horses like ran away from us like they were deathly afraid of us, but not so much anymore, because carrots. Linus is now Deanna's horse. I am not much of a horse rider myself. I have ridden some horses when we were in Connecticut. I rode horses for a little bit, or once there. So we also rode horses to Saguaro National Park on the east side of Saguaro National Park in Arizona. So those are my couple experiences with horses, but Deanna grew up riding horses her entire childhood. She's been wanting a horse to be able to take out into our trails. And Linus is a little stubborn right now, but we're hoping to be able to take him up into our trails.
Yeah. Well, we don't think he's been ridden in a very long time. We know his previous owner didn't ride him.
Okay.
So I had someone who knows horses really well and training horses come and saddle him up, and we just kind of tried to gauge whether or not he had been ridden before, and he was totally fine with the saddle and bridle, so he's definitely been ridden, but we have no knowledge of his history because he was rescued from an auction, so we're just going to take it easy for a bit and let him acclimate and see how he does.
And get used to us as well.
Yeah.
But it seems like he's doing pretty good getting used to us. Or at least Deanna. They're best buddies already. He did come up to the property. We tried to introduce him to Blaze. I'm probably not even going to put that footage in here because not much happened. Linus was a little afraid of Blaze, so maybe eventually they can meet each other. So yeah, the horses get this view the entire day too. It's really hard to complain. They have about 10 acres to eat, graze off of.
Yeah.
So
The only thing so far we've had trouble with is Linus and Rosie, the chestnut, seem very attached. So when we've tried to take him out of the pasture, he seemed more okay, but she was very upset. And so we're gonna have to work on a bit of separation anxiety.
yeah. So yeah, Linus probably won't be in a ton of our videos at first, but once he starts getting trained, getting acclimated back into riding again, we'll probably show you some footage of him getting back in the trails, and who knows, maybe one day we'll buy a horse trailer and go take him to some horse-friendly parks, because there are some horse-friendly parks nearby.
Yeah.
So that'd be fun to be able to take him out. Well guys, this was just a short little video. Just wanted to introduce you to our new buddy Linus, and we'll probably see you guys in the next one. As always,
Adventure on.
Can you say adventure on? Can you neigh? He's just like, just give me more carrots.